It's important for us because this is an area that we can actually grow. I mean, we keep saying it also, but Fiji needing to diversify into different industries, and for us to stop being so dependent largely on tourism. Of course, we want tourism to come back and grow, but we must also grow other industries, and this is one of them. We've always been looking at this area. There are certain things that need to be attended to. There may be some of the universities and schools can offer other languages, and that opens up another whole new area for these companies. The upskilling of our own Fijians, the young ones that are coming out of school, they need to learn a bit more about it and different. The curriculum also at university, that's also been addressed. So it's a good opportunity to speak to them and to see what's needed, so that we can address it with the different parts of the equation, especially like I say about the university. But very positive, and there's a average age here would be about 20. There's a lot of young people employed here, and the amazing part is that not all of them are university graduates. There are some that may have even dropped out of school, so there's an opportunity available for everybody to join this particular industry. And they go through training and they get taught. And the biggest advantage that Fiji has is that we speak English in a neutral accent. And that's a huge advantage over the rest of the world. We need to capitalize on that. And we have such a huge young population that can actually do a whole lot in this industry.